I gave GPT-5 and Gemini the exact same coding challenge. One had me pulling my hair out for 30 minutes, hunting down icons and fixing broken buttons. The other, it was honestly like a walk in a park. Wanna guess which one actually worked? Here is what I did. I asked both of them to build me a Chrome extension that will summarize web pages. Same exact prompt, same requirements. No hand-holding, no extra files, just one simple request to see what they'll spit out. And honestly, the result, well, let's just say one of these things is not like the other. So Gemini went first, and right off the bat, it's throwing a ton of files at me. Like, okay, I can't handle that. But then it tells me I need to create 3 custom icons and put them in some separate folder. When I asked for the icons, it gave me these SVG links that they were not even savable as PNGs. What am I supposed to do with that? Finally, I switched to image mode and it makes the icon, just one. And gosh, just save this 3 times with different names. After 20 minutes of this back and forth, I've got an extension that looks like something from 2005. And here's the kicker. When I clicked the summarize button twice, it just froze. 20 minutes for a broken extension that doesn't even work. GPT-5 was like stepping into a completely different universe. 5 minutes, I'm not exaggerating. 5 minutes and I had a working Chrome extension. And it actually looked modern, you know. Curved corners, clean design. It split everything into 2 nice sections for summary and key points. But wait, it gets better. It added features I didn't even ask for, like 3 different summary length options, short, medium, long. And when I tested it, it actually summarized content properly, not just random words thrown together, actual useful summaries. All with half the files that Gemini needed. Winner? GPT-5, and honestly, it's not even close. I'll drop both versions in the description if you want to test them yourself and see what I mean. But seriously, have you noticed this pattern with AI tools? One just overcomplicates everything, and the other one, it just works.